Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon. Please share this video. This video is straight to PJ. PJ, let me tell you this, and I want you to put it in record for future reference. I want you to save this video for future reference. What I go? For tomorrow's sake. What I go? To put it in record. Anyway, na reason why iji chọrọ ịgba mgbo na iji my nakedness. Na mgbe ahụ m na-asa ahụ ịdị ime, ịgbọrọ m, I was also taking my bath that you screenshotted my nakedness. Na ị ga-ebupụta ya online. PJ, maybe nga ị gara na Italy, ị chọrọ repeat ya na nka. Maybe nga ị gara na Italy, ị chọrọ repeat ya na nka. Now let me warn you. I do not send my nakedness to anybody. But if you screenshot or take my nakedness without my consent, when I got you today, I'm sending I autumn or anybody. Or when I get any man I got I'm sending I autumn. And when I'm the record of somebody that told me. Number when I get a quote, na saho. Got one motion in a sapa who gets in the camera video. This screenshot or This screenshot or ebem de auto PJ. Oh my goodness. And I come a lot of Nigeria. I will monitor you. I will monitor you. If I don't get it by the law, I swear with my life, I will monitor you to zero. But I matter name with a beast, not in human form. Cheba no woku saga. He screenshotted my nakedness without me sending you automo. No one again say no hijab taga. If you I'm going to go to my husband already. I've already informed him already in case of incasity. Without my consent. Is that how you want to blackmail Leki? I will continue to saga you. Even the person. Now when I get the saga Ogechi bag now, because I'm Kasago Ogechi, that you bring it. Try it. Try it. I swear with my God to try it. He screenshot or autumn without my consent. No. He screenshot or autumn without my consent. I did not send my nude to anybody. I didn't give it to anybody. And when you send the autumn, get screenshot or autumn without my consent. Now, but this is a video. And do you know why I'm making this video? Is because I've called my lawyer. And the machine I'm download Droya and send it to him. You screenshotted my nude where I was taking my bath without giving you my consent. And you threatened to bring it out if the saga enter you for body. Now, I'm sending this thing as a warning. Because this video, I will download it after making it. If you dare release any of my nude without my consent, who even gave you the audacity to screenshot my nude and keep it for what? I did not give you the permission to screenshot my nude. I did not give you the audacity to screenshot my nude. I was just ordinarily taking my bath. You called me. We normally talk on video call. I turned on my video, continue showering, continue talking. You said you screenshotted my nude. PJ, try me. Try me. Because I recorded the person that told me that. And the person also recorded you. Because when I got the voice notes, ma oya direct. Yashim yes. Yashim. The person said, okay, do not play my voice. And I will respect that. The day I'm going to play, yeah. PJ, are you serious? Guys, have you seen what I'm saying? That this woman, there is something somewhere. I told you guys. You screenshotted my nude. For what, if I may ask you? Am I a lesbian? Am I a lesbian? You called me. I was taking my bath. I turned it on to talk to you. You said you screenshotted my nude. Mwah. PJ. Oh, are we here? Karagobi na the saga. Are you Karagobi? I will saga you. I will saga you. Agama sagagi to eternity. Bring it out. I will saga you. It's not a joke, oh. It's not a joke. I just got the information a few minutes ago. I just got the information. Sagamahu. Sagamahu, PJ. You called me. I thought, because we normally talk on WhatsApp that time. I turned on my WhatsApp video. You said you screenshotted me. That's it. Yeah. Saga. Oh, is that what you're saying, that this will end Igbo saga? Now, I will saga you until I saga you to the end. I will not stop. I would like you to bring it out. Let me show your picture. You will know I'm referring to you. I will show your picture. So you will know that I'm not stopping your saga. I will saga you. I will saga you to the eternity. Then bring it out. So, Ipatranim for destruction. Oh, really? Oh, is that why I'ma shege puta? He got share that noodle. PJ, you will share it. Hold on. Amu wakana etirimbu. Hey, okay, chatala ma. I don't suffer. Eh? Oh. Really? You? Ah, Jesus. Where is that your useless page? Screenshot do. Ebem na saho. You. Ebem wana saho. And when you send the nude. And you make ikemu. And when anybody mishi, this is my nude or send it. You screenshotted my nude for blackmailing. No, we are friends, so you okay on a sabah we do. Oh no, nobody should tell me that. Now I did not make no mistake. There is no mistake. On a water I did not screenshot her own. Ma baroto, ya ma ton where. Why didn't I screenshot her own? Why didn't I screenshot PJ? Nankem kiga boso, He got bachonso. In fact, you no as no coming back to Nigeria, you will not come back again. Even now that doubling, I can the next upper day without wasting time. I may make you feel what you make you why. Ogechi Okeke Njaka, they make you hear what you make you why. Try me. Thank God my husband has taken it up himself. He get put on him. You screenshotted me. Matagene. For what? If I may ask you, for what? Could they just imagine? Could they just imagine? The way your mother got for a while. Hey, it's not fucking mistake because it's I want to make a mistake. It's not a mistake. When I bought that bomb, we normally talk like sisters. We do talk like sisters. A screenshot from Ikea. A screenshot for those of you that said, Ogechi, happy PJ. Imagine, man, on that blackmail. Oh, PJ, if you don't bring it out, too. If problem in the times 7, if you do not bring that nude, is amashigi release, is screenshot, Asagamaho, Bogi as a sister. When I get a discourse, when you was taking a bath, you showed me many for pregnancy. A screenshot. Did I record you? Did I record you? I think I'm mad. Yes, I got to get you. I'm going to change Abaya Saga. If you don't bring it out, if you don't use it to saga me, oh, you're planning again, Ama. Okay. Okay, one man up. You better bring it out, oh. You better. Let me show the person I'm referring to. Ogechi. Ndị enemy ga-agwakwa gị ka iwepụta ya o. Ndị enemy ga-agwakwa, ndị enemy ma ịgbapara ime gwakwa gị na ka iwepụta ya o. Ha gwakwa gị ka iwepụta ya o. Look at the person. Nke awụ original face here. Look at her here. She says she screenshotted my nude. She screenshotted my nude. Ebe m na-asa ahụ. Abụrụ m ya na live video. You screenshotted my nude. Ebe m na-asa ahụ. Nigga ya blackmail m. DJ, if I memecha gị ife m ga-eme gị n'ụwa, ga-amata na ọwụ mụwa. You screenshot ebe m na-asa ahụ. While ị na-agba ọtọ na-akpọ m. Ịgba m na live video ga-edowe ya na-asa ahụ. I did not screenshot your own. Leia, you each need to ma go ego ka iji eme gịnị. Let PJ well, I'm going to what I'm capable of doing. We pretend we do. Oh, so each man know to me make it if I may ask you. Ijo tom e megene. Ijo tom e sendere m ga tomu. Ngam na sa hu na bathroom. Guess him short omo. Shim no hijaba mu wo. Petition agawa godila already. We put him to make a call already. He won't yara. He get what yo because I recorded the person. Orungaha will play it. You must bring it out. You must fucking bring Muma da banketing. And you're going to this kind of story banketing. And you're going to this kind of story banketing. Boss, I'm not good already. I'm not going to come. PJ, you do the mad. You are very useless. Did I send my nude to you? Ngeji samaho. When I get a woku, they screenshot home. Oh, each and all kaga budo kwa banket. Dim already. That should give me. PJ, I'm leaving this message for you. Look at you. I'm referring to you. Promise, John. If you don't bring out that nude, you screenshotted me. If you do not bring it out, you that stays in Dublin, if you don't bring it out, I got the voice record. You will understand. Who is Mirabel? Mirabel, look out there to the world. Come on, fuck off from you, idiots. Come on, get the fuck out of here, you see some useless woman shower. That idiot will allow Otoya to the whole world. Why do you think their case cannot hold? Why do you fucking think their case cannot hold? Because they sent their nude. You cannot compare it to Mokem Saga who no business with anybody. Bien, come on, guard the court. Bien, come on, guy. I got you when they didn't send the PJ my nakedness. You would not send the area. Oh, you man only got to get record again. Sorry. Ndo. Oh, each and everybody know why it's Ogechi. You screenshotted them automate them now. I want to understand Jaka and send the nude to everybody. Brighty after watching delete. Why can't you guys just sit on that matter? You send something in the public domain. They're gonna quack. Iwonyara. Ige weputayo. We're very strong saga man. If you don't bring it out, PJ, your life will be so useless. Oh, Ibaramu, just to blackmail me. Ngaki mechara if you do not bring it out, thank God, if you know about Chineke as some mad. If you know about Chineke as some mad. And what did me hear name? Okay, the person contacted me now. So okay, like why he name? Okay, listen. You screenshotted me, PJ. Hey, okay. Okay. Oh, you think the ten my bank has afforded everything already? You got to bring it out. I'm an job to me. Nobody messes you. It's just to me, Unegi. To be a nice person, then you call for saga. Number one, you forced to call Emeka to destroy a case that you know that I'm so good. Okay, bye. You forced to go and tamper my boy in our room. Start asking him about the court case. Now you first tampered me, so I'm gonna choke you with everything in me. I'm gonna choke you with every means in the. You looked for my trouble by tampering one animal. Case in a court. Then wait the other city, and you think I would not go straight to your personal? Yaki she need Tom Webem Sao you screenshot it. PJ, you go bring them out. You go bring her because I will not leave you. You see, you have made peace with every saga page. I don't have problem with that. But na me and you go digaram. Na me and you go digaram. I'm a wagging word to an extent that you will start shaking until you bring out that auto. You must, oh. You must. You must. This your little years for like you enter, they enter anger. One day, go get take him, I will land in Dublin. One day, Ganga, you enter anger. That day, oh, you want to use something that I did not send to you. You screenshotted it to blackmail me. So I will leave you. You have gotten nice Saga Alliance now. Why are you worried about this side? Yeah? Yeah? So you have gotten all the Saga Alliance, make peace with everybody. So why are you using, who are you trying to blackmail? Ogechi. PJ, I know they come Nigeria. Now you where they go Nigeria often. I know they come Nigeria. So okay, they are aware. Me, when I come in, but no go Nigeria. I go to Nigeria, nobody go near me. You but one thing I'm gonna give you what talk time. Ige wepute that auto. I wepute angama hapuke. Angama kukake. Angama hapuke. All your fucked up life. I can make people na. I not gonna leave you because I goku. I did not look for both of you problem. Otela, the person show Otela. Ya come on the situation. I'm gonna be here many. Kina amangane ku. Unless the problem. Unless Nigeria not the problem. They came in. The same thing. Ama was even going to impulse, begging people money. I thought you say you don't want fundraising. I'm expecting you 2 million. That is what I'm hearing today. I'm expecting you 2 million. I'm so Imana people they will reach out to me. Now make me your papa. I'm expect 5 to 2 million naka. Could I imagine this idiot? I don't know. The person as soon as I'm 200,000, you will have be. No one time during after that 300,000, you start crying. No, don't be very angry. You can't be very angry. At least somebody will end up going to jail. Not this saga. I can manage him again with my nude. Sagi putara when you started recording a maker, let me send you. And the person she daily record what I make. Now record that what I go do. It's very useless old bastards. Actually, can they matter who you are? Oh, so second and fugo. People that say happy. It couldn't imagine. Don't be sad because there's nothing to be sad. There's nothing to be sad. Imagine this woman. So I cannot equally record you or screenshot you that time in a home. I cannot do it too. You should screenshot and record. Hey, we him mother got her phone. Wow. Nah, the body message. Na Peter, come on, what put it unegi chineka bogoko? What put it unegi? Tonda babuki. What can get around and negative water? So you bring it out. Ubulaka mango la pukura gireko dunya ho. Unyo la pukura gireko do the person things are happening. The woman called me now, recorded everything on Ogechi because I put them on forward all everything. Bitch, I'm not gonna leave you. You go come bring them out. I'm not gonna leave you. I'm not gonna leave. When you said that I'm got because of a bomb na live video, get away my nude screenshot or. Could they imagine? I get you there. But am your foolish idiot was same program today? That's it. Like get it body. And you get it something. Get screenshot. I'm on this idiot to planning my nudes. Have you seen how wicked these people are? I'm again I get what put the nude down. Then I get what put the down nude too. Then a PJ will bring it out. Gonna happen no. Then a new PJ will bring it out. I have everything recorded. I'm not stupid. Oh, so the reason why. So the first day, in on a shower. This him turn on the camera, my turn on. This him lay now for you. With the naked do, it's so panty, so him. So I cannot also do the same to you. And that's what we were that day. I was just admiring now for you. Despite the time man on mini abaraba. Despite the time man on mini abaraba. I didn't screenshot nothing of yours. Masamazia who got one chicken nana to Masaho, get him bane what's up. Mama never as a normal thing with the talk. That was the opportunity just in school to Doma. Nigga buputea. Nigga buputea. You will bring it out. You will bring it out. Mind you, your enemy making courage. Ogechi na short on wine. Ogechi na short on wine. Oruna and Kegi. A PJ, Imapia de my game. Actually, I'm give that encouragement. I want them to give you that encouragement. Actually, I'm give that encouragement. You must do it. You get what parallel. Because in Wepo, nobody again, never. Never. You get bring because I will tell you. I got my happy. I got me with talking. Every letter I go back to my personal. That me making record to my maker. Now do about my personal property. So you could draw to me. PJ. Open manager, me man ya wamusu. PJ fashion. PJ. If you not bring it out, and I got my happy go. I'm not gonna leave you. Achorom kando kure no rida uriamo. Ibo me no to hachom and otomo. It don't pay. It don't pay. They look for him. So, Oga Kama, this is the best opportunity. Oh, you just not give me the end Igbo saga. Oh, you could. Even if your Tommy will put it today, it will not end it. But it's a fucking promise. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna leave you for saga. Oh, you got the person saying about saga in the jibang because he might go to Namjiki. Oh, you know, we are going to meeting the mesh. You know, when I was telling people didn't believe me. People didn't believe me. Imagine I'm expecting me to give her 2 to 5 million. Could you imagine? PJ expects me to be giving her money. Oh, okay, I'm big from NGO 6 million. Command demo. No, so this is your plan? And you started the saga. You fucking started the saga. I couldn't be from Ogechi why? He got share that mood. I can make sure he share like PJ, what's he here for? Like you have to go to jail and end it there. And when we hear for Z like now, he got share ya. You know Tomaho, EG. He got share ya. You need to bring it out. He got share ya. Oh, shigela luon toge. Oh, shigela luon toge. Oh, shigela all over Europe. Jeba shawo ganga. I did not send you no errand. Oh, shigela scatter your life. I did not send you an errand. If you not go to one guy again, I am not there. No, that place. I'm research lawyer. You got to share it, oh. You get to. I'm not going to chamber me in radio. I'm not going to chamber me. He can whip it there. PG, you must print it out. He can whip it there. I'm not taking water. He can whip it. And then when a lot of support now, even when I'm intelligent fool, even when I'm a ukure, even when I'm free potty, even when I'm orita, oriam, oriras, even when I. Tell them to support you financially because someone I get photo you are very bone to bone, marrow to marrow. Go and mark it. You get what put you get leak here. If you don't bring it out, thunder. Imagine a blackmailers. Imagine trying to blackmail me. Imagine trying to blackmail me. For what now? Ejim Gogo. Am I owing you? No wonder you guys are threatening my marriage will crash. And the one thing you don't understand, even if you didn't get them, let me tell you how Ugochukwu love one. Even if Ugochukwu gets me another man, then yash me, I go nowhere. Okay, the extent of love, go love. Ona fogodika oge, iwe baru ishina. Even if at that. Oh, Opalano, I got my tuna boo. Unu about the war. I no go bow down for any baka. Am I talking to a reader? Hell no. Am I talking to any other person? Hell no. Oh, Gina Amma. Munu Google Wotoya. In their support that they are free. Anybody is free to support anybody. No, go put your Ojiao. Humble the man and go put your Ojia. The person in Barami cannot lie. The person in Abraham cannot lie. Ojia. Ojia because Molo Filu Oga Name Gomanian. Ojia is blackmailing. Ojia. I don't believe about Papa. Now lie, you don't put a man, no they talk like that. Don't trust nobody. And when you man somehow what's up? And when you man somehow what's up? So your pregnancy, PJ. Welcome to my phone no automatically recorder. According to you, I did not screenshot you. I did not record you. Nah, it was him matter guy who for no wa. Actually, can they pagite ki release here? I will not do anything. Let them pagite nagi ki release anything. Open sorry, I done negi. Now when negi work, I be too happy when I start dealing with you. They'll be so happy because who tell that woman and I put on. Who tell Otro ki delete at this odd. Release here, but I. Ige weputaya. Grandmother. Ige weputaya. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Come on, Shinga for you soon. Come on, Shinga for you. Useless man, a deport through you. It would have my core destiny. Come on, get the fuck out of here. And I'm calling in you. Oh, more. I don't even understand who you think. Well, there is no need. There is no two ways about it. I block all the idiot. The idiot onye sense ya no n'ime amu ya. Onwe the common sense. Me and the intelligent criminal, we will meet up with Emeka. We have arrangement. You know, Bia. No, I don't like talking to you because you don't want anything. You're just a useless man. All got people today say, on your last night to Lagos saga, talk the babu. So he could be online, can you use all these fools? All this hopeless thing. You could even acquire Emeka passport here. You don't even know that Emeka passport is no longer with anybody than on a court. Can you so for aparagate is overload. That's why I don't talk to you. Panhuru. Ote she would pass by, can I pass by again? It was very hopeless thing. I should not PJ Jinawia. Onya mke Tiria life, yeah. Imam Gijagama Hapu PJ. A lot of people have been calling me so Gozula, but do you know why I will beckon on what did I have the war? What put I Yahu? Ogechi that best so much. Okunu Yereaka. Actually, couldn't help ya. Go up there. Could you imagine? Asagamaho, Agadimu near you. Oh my God. So PJ, it's gonna tell me again because if I may ask you. Mumaga Bankete. Hey. As soon as I'm not trying to call it, Gemini got no happen. Who got be a bono today? PJ, I hope I'm like every other person, and you know very well. I got my chuggy woto. He get me chat go. PJ, I normally be able to make case with me. I'm not gonna leave you. Lie. And the one who did barbaric act here. A woman did one, she said, idea, Merima. And when you put that in me, nigga, what put you go bring it out. You get what put ya, you must bring it out. You get what put you. Oh, or your plan. I hope I'm there no they no go with them because they no get money. They bend on their case. PJ agama chugo back man. Him just make a video ki save we am na hugi. So they will see the agadi one oromo screenshot or without my consent. She's holding it all. No screenshot oromo. Oh yeah, no worry, go mama. So this is here get a PJ now to screenshot somebody's nude. Get a mother power. You get a PJ now. So this is what you and PJ does. Because I no go relent. PJ. A lot of my enemy can ask PJ, please you put Oh, only Jekuga that this saga and it will end. Only Jekuga. Okay. No problem. We shall see. Monday club because I go to contact them, tell them, say make it release the nudo. That's your club members. I go to call them all to tell you because I'm a chogi water to get released here. You get released, liar. What are you reader? Give it to a reader. Give it to a reader. Ganya kupura. Ime chana mo hige menango. So while you me wopte, chine kepokwa goko. Agama be poshes takagi because of what? Because of gene. Ton dabu paro onye power yo bri. Jo chabu kwage. Stupid as shower. Amado, look at your dating life. Look, let me get Jim. Go and start amending your fucked up life. In a what put my nude. Now, I'm saga who gets screenshot or evil bastard. Amado ha make what you breathe in ishi. Could you imagine? I may go this black and what go underground already. I forgot it. I may go this my way of life. You had to go dig it more difficult already. Imagine a blackmailer. So I didn't go on game intimidate. So mega live video with Ezug mistakenly my butt up. Did you see me back down? Did you fucking see me back down? Okay, would you know me on social media? I will have nobody to blame. Yeah, without me giving you a consent. Did you see me fucking back down? Nah, I don't know. People do not read people and know what they are capable of doing or not. PG Gabam Saga. Gena Amma. Oh, see send the alarm. I'm a gidea. Nah, shut the okay, Emma, listen to me. Biko, where ya? Because I'm on Nichi ya. I'm from Nichi to 10. So, Ogina and I collect his autumn wine. I was Ogechi. Okay, whatever. No, I summon a screenshot to him. Okay. No wahala, PJ. No wahala. Guys, I become a dog. I want to become. Him Talaboya, you come back. Now no go leave you. Come hapuge. No matter what, I come hapuge. All this you call for saga. All the one she like it, yeah. So I am ready for you. Guys, can't happen. Rubbish. And I call you. You get what putayo. You get what putaya. You go bring them out. Also like you got bread wash kaka. You get what putaya. I would have ever got them here, make it. The happy one. Okay, what put there? More about the came on your get you. More about the came on your automated like it. I got me and get GT with this idiot for allowing a maker to squander my 30-something million. For deceiving that boy to squander my 30-something million. Here, one doki, one jealousy sheba. Ma go ne puso puto wa. Emu wa ngiga mutalo onye dika mu. Iga mutalo my age mate BJ. Iga mutalo onye hakamu. See me trouble. Uru everywhere. Jealous, envy. Only ka guru, na ba mamani ka. Even nka, enwere unyem chupo. Unyem chupo. Mgbe idoro na Italy ba akona. She Ghana Holland buto oganga. Aham you notice onye ngwu. Did you notice me? Mbopara genga. guys, ka hapụ na biko ka njikwa ọrụ enwere m ọrụ. Bye bye.